And as some of you know, I've been doing an art project that I was encouraged to do by Over the Moon Academy on Facebook. Sorry, this is very informal here. Over the Moon Academy, I've been following her on YouTube, and she has really great creative ideas for things to do with tarot and oracle cards and just interesting ways to interact with these tools. So this was the Valentine's Day challenge to make your own oracle deck. And it could be any kind of deck you wanted, any size, shape, theme, anything, right? So mine is self-love. And it is not complete yet, but I was so excited. I wanted to do just a little flip through so you can see where I'm at with it. And I still have to figure out the back. These are all just on poster board. Some are different thicknesses because I didn't realize that I had different thicknesses. So we're figuring that out. I'm gonna laminate them too. But I just wanted to do a flip through because I love them, you guys. I love this project. She has started a thing with me, right? You know how I can get when I get all excited about a thing. All right, so here we go. Let's see what's first. Oh, this card. This is Single Babe Energy. So that's that single babe energy, confidence, whatever you want to, whatever you need it to be. This is one of my favorites. This is Afro Magic. That's your girl, Octavia Butler. This card is Authenticity. This is Each Day a New Beginning. This is I Got Your Back, Boo. This is Badassery. It's a little wrinkly, but I'm gonna laminate these once I'm finished with them, so hopefully that'll take care of that wrinkliness. This is Sexy Time. Pampering. That's Grown. This is Write It Out. This is my inner child card. And yes, that is me. Favorite things. I don't know if I'm finished with this card yet. Oh, shadow work. Always and forever. Another love goal. This one is called Ritual. This one is called Do It Afraid. This is called Root Cause Analysis. This is Co-Create with Spirit. This is Memory. This is the Myth Buster. Or Myth Breaker. I thought that was so cute. I thought it applied for when we are telling ourselves stuff that we shouldn't be telling ourselves, right? This is my Ancestral Wisdom card. This is Maya Angelou saying, girl, I'm a need for you to do something. Message. This is Self-Care. And this is Happiness. some of them are naming themselves. So I think I have like 21 cards here. I don't know how many I'm going to end up making. I know I need to stop pretty soon. I mean, I guess I don't need to stop pretty soon. I like where they are now. Like I said, I need to figure out what my back is going to be. I think I might either get some scrapbook paper or maybe some really thin like rice paper or textured paper. I don't know. And then I'm going to laminate them. So I will do a video when I'm finished. But I just have had a ball making this deck, and I can't wait. It's super personalized. As you can see, I have a few pictures of myself as cards. And yeah, so the theme again is self-love. And so I wanted it to be a deck of encouragement and also kind curiosity, to go deeper, to develop, to grow, to challenge myself, and to comfort me if needed, and to point me in the right direction. So again, I just want to shout out to Over the Moon Academy. If you haven't checked out her stuff, you should. Her channel, she is, like I said, just very talented and artistic and creative. So thank you for watching this very impromptu casual video, but I would love to know if you make your own oracle cards, or if you decide to, I would love to see them. So yeah, take care and stay warm and be safe, and I will see you at the next video. Peace.